Tapos na tayo mamili guys. Nice shopping. Ganito lang yung buhay namin dito. Sobrang simple lang. Magpipace mask ako kasi masyado malamig sa labas. Para mabawasan yung lamig. Tayo galing guys, lalakad lang tayo po uwi. Let's walk. Oh, doon pa yung lalakaran natin. Medyo malayo pa yan, pero nakakalibang din, nakaka-refresh na rin. Yan, papuntang disyerto yan pag diretso kayo dyan. Yan sa trabaho namin. Lilipat ulit tayo ng stoplight. Bilang OFW or expats or overseas na tinatawag, we'll experience everything that we couldn't expect, and we expect all it's true in work, in surroundings, personal. Expect the unexpected. Everything will happen, even you like it or not, it will happen. Just the thing is, face it and pray to have a strong and physical mind, to have a good decision. Each obstacle or triumphs, you will gonna face it. That's normal, that's life. Let's go. Diyan sa trabaho namin, papunta sa trabaho namin. Let's go! Dire-diretso yung mahal natin. Hindi tayo masyadong hintay ngayon. Stall din dito. Kaya ingat din while passing the road. Careful every time. Make sure it's clear before you pass the road. And pass in the right direction, like pedestrian lane, where you can pass. Cold season, really cold. 4 degree, and other place 1 degree negative Celsius. But here still good, 4 degree. Not bad, but it's cold already. And we just embrace whatever weather we had. Sandstorm, cold, hot, whatever it is, enjoy and embrace. You should adapt each season. By the way, this is my second year overseas now. Since I left the Philippines last year, this is my second year now. Hopefully, after 6 months, I'm gonna finish my 2 years contract, and let's see what will gonna happen. Pray for all will be in good place. We'll take in all in good place, hopefully. And let's pray. Nothing impossible in prayer. God's will all it will happens. You see the fog, like fog cold. That's the coldest weather since I've been here. That's the coldest place I ever had here in X spot. Before, when I was in Dubai, it's cold, but not unlike this. Not same as this one. This one is really cold, but still, I can manage. This is my second year, as I've told you. I know it's good weather though. I like cold. Doon pa tayo maglalakad, guys. Yan, on that side. See my view, guys. Walking. Even in my workplace, we walk after the duty. It's just walking distance, like 15 minutes away from our home, our accommodation. Our store is just few minutes walk. Just ate a while ago in Shawaya restaurant, which is like a native kabsa food here in our place. Almost there, guys. Lounge. 7 Moments Lounge. Almost here. 10 minutes walk. I'm gonna end this video, guys. I'm almost in my accommodation. 2 minutes maybe. My villa. Enjoy and God bless everyone. Hope everyone is in good place. God bless us all. enjoy and God bless everyone.